So this is our stainless steel 47 quart. Can you see how big it is? I am 5'9". This baby's big. 47 quart Tamalera. Comes with a lifetime warranty. So you're never going to have to worry about getting another one because this is yours for life. It has our beautiful Princess Heritage pattern. There you go. Can you see the pattern in the lid? It's so pretty. I love this pattern. And this lid makes it really special. What happens is when you put this on your pan and you're cooking, right, you don't have to cook the lid because the slow release steam just automatically comes out. The nice thing about that is that they're adjustable. So you can make one much larger than another one, make one much smaller. But can you see that? This is going to be awesome for making different flavors of your tamales. And those dividers are awesome. Now they do come out, okay? And it does have the steamer on the bottom, right? So you can steam your foods. And obviously you can also use it as just a huge pot. So this can be used for canning. It can be used for your big pots of chili, soup, whatever you want, tomato sauce. So this is our 47 quart Tamalera. This is a very special offer. It's not in the regular book. It is a very special item, and I have a couple of really good values. So also I want to let you know that Princess House has brought this out for a very short amount of time, and we also offer layaway where that you can make payments on your item. They ship once it's paid in full. So it might be a really good gift for your mom or your grandmom or you. Okay, it's called our disco, right? Can you see it? This was the most popular item that Princess House has ever introduced in regards to a short period of time. This is an outside only item. You can see the bottom, right? It's graduated. And you can see that gorgeous Princess Heritage. Can you see that pattern? That beautiful pattern that's in the lid. It's 23 inches across, stainless steel, 1810 stainless steel. It has the nice rack at the top, so you can cook, put things down at the bottom, and then it's graduated as you want things cooler or hot. So this is our #1 selling item of all time within Princess House, and we have sold over 1 million units of the blender. It has 3 different pre-programmed settings. One is for dips and spreads. One is for soup. You can actually make hot soup in just 7 minutes. Last one is for obviously your smoothies, and it does come with a tamper as well. So I have a couple of packages that I've put together for you to help you save money. On the disc, I can give it to you for just 5 payments of $50 each. So this is for the disc and the Tamalera. You're going to make 8 payments of just $82 each. I also have a package with the disco and the blender. And if you want that, that one is also $82 times 8 payments. If you want the Tamalera and the blender, that is $98 times 8 payments. So 856-404-7420. You can call me or text me. You can also email me. My email is thelindabradley@gmail.com. I also have an email list that you can sign up for or a text list that you can sign up for so that you always get the specials and you never miss them.